Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package from Fab Fit Fun. This is the winter box, and if you guys remember, I get this as a subscription. Sorry, I'm gonna sneeze. Every season. I think it's past, so I'm not going to sneeze now. And I usually get 2 boxes, one for me and one that I have subscribed under my daughter's name, but I open both of them to see what there is, and then I give her things that I might not want, and then I keep the things that I do want, and it works out great. And in every catalog you get in every box you get a little catalog, and it has some neat information in it, and then it also has a page that tells you about everything that's in your box. So not everyone gets the same things. There are a few things that everyone gets, but the majority of the things are more customized to your specific box. So the first thing I see is the original makeup eraser. Oh, look at that. It says wash, wet, erase, and exfoliate approximately 1 to 2 times a week. Bye-bye makeup wipes forever. Thank you for joining our movement. Your purchase is helping eliminate the 3rd most wasteful product in the world, wipes. The 3rd most wasteful product? Oh my goodness. So this is I guess you use this instead of makeup. Yeah, erase all your makeup with just water. Well, that's interesting. I love the color, and the texture looks really nice. That's soft, and so let's see, what does it say about it? I'm trying to find it. In every box, okay, this is in every box, and it's in the original pink. It retails for $20. From waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water. So that's pretty cool. And it's machine washable. So I don't know how that works exactly, but I'll check it out. Very cool. The next thing I see is, guess what? You'll be naked in a minute. Says coffee scrub, original coffee scrub. And let's see, 5B. So this is the delicious combo of Robusto coffee grounds, vitamin E, sea salt, and sweet almond oil exfoliates and leaves your skin hydrated and feeling softer than ever. It retails for $16.95. And this is one that select members got. Only select members get to customize these options in their box. Otherwise, FabFitFun will choose the best option for you, and they chose this. So that's the one that I got from them. And then this one is Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Drybar. And this is, again, something that everyone gets. This lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamin B, and vitamin C. Sorry, I don't know if you can see it very well. And sea berry oil to protect your hair against heat up to 450 degrees and leave hair soft and conditioned. And this retails for $23. And I think my daughter will really like that because she straightens her hair. So I don't really do that. And then here is something. It says Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. And this looks like, again, something that everyone got. Calm your senses as you cleanse with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, provitamin B5, and shea butter. And it says that this retails for $39.95. And that's insane because this is only 8 ounces. There's no way in the world I would spend that much on it, but let's see how it smells. It smells good. It smells a little bit minty. It says lavender oil. Yeah, it smells a little bit like tea tree, something like that. It smells clean. I can't get the lid back on. There we go. Next, I have this Bluetooth shower speaker. Well, that's kind of funny because I already have one of these and I know that it works well. And let's see what this says. This is number 2D, Bandu Bluetooth shower speaker. Showering just got more fun with this water-resistant speaker to blast and sing along with your favorite tunes at a 32-foot range. It retails for $30. And these do work. These are a nice present. I might save this as a present for next year for someone because it is pretty cool. And I had one for my daughter and one for my son and one for me. And I still use mine. It works very well. And maybe I'll give it to my daughter because she'll be moving into her own place. This one is, oh, and that one I didn't say, it is all members again. All members get that. That's nice. So there actually is, I'm saying it wrong, I think, because there's 1, 2, 3 things that all members get. And you either get 1A, B, or C, or D, or E, sorry. And then 2, A, B, C, or D. And then 3, A, B, C, or D. So I got 2D, which was the Bluetooth speaker. I could have gotten a clay mask, some cable slippers. Oh, I wish I would have gotten those. Or some eyelash conditioner. Or, sorry, an arm warmer set. So I also got the, oh, I didn't say what, I haven't gotten that yet. And the other things that I have gotten, 8 everybody gets, that's the, okay, yeah, I've told you everything that we've all gotten except for 5. Select members, there are 3 things that you could get. I got the coffee scrub. There was a color switch solo. Oh, that would have been nice to have too. Darn it. And a salt bag, which I don't even know what that is. Let's see if there's a picture. I don't see. But there's a color switch thing that is supposed to be a brush cleanser, and that would be really nice. So maybe I'll get that in the next box, and maybe I'll get the slippers, and that would be cool. Although I did get a pair of slippers for Christmas, so I'm in good shape. Soft Focus Glow Drops. Let me find this. Okay, this is over here. This is something that everyone gets, either the Soft Focus Glow Drops, an all face eye and mask kit, or Silk Lashes glue kit. So I got, it says glow on. These drops are formulated to brighten the complexion and give a radiant priming base for makeup application. So that's kind of neat. This retails for $55. It is 1 ounce. I will use this, so let me go ahead and open it up and show you. It looks like this. And it is a dropper. Huh, so that's kind of neat. It smells alright. A little bit perfumey, but it's alright. I'll use it. Okay, next I have, ooh, this looks nice. Pure, I don't even know how to read it. Nilotica Melt? I have no idea. This is number 4. So I could have gotten a put-in palette, which looks like an eyeshadow palette. This Nilotica Melt, which is balm to oil, deeply nourishes as it hydrates, brightens, and protects the skin. It retails for $28, and it is 1.67 ounces, and there's no way in the world I would ever pay $20 for a little thing of, why is this so, of lotion. But this is it. Oh, that's a better picture. Or I could have gotten a crossbody bag or a floral planner. So this is perfect for me. This is the one I would have picked. And let's see how it works. Don't do that. It's very thick. My goodness, it doesn't want to come out. So I'm just going to put a little bit on. I mean, it came out like a blob. It smells all right. Doesn't have much of a smell. And it does feel really thick, so maybe that's why it's so thick and expensive. Yeah, I think it's all right. Can still snap. It's nice. This might be the last thing, and it is a knit cap, which is pretty funny considering that I knit. And it looks like maybe fingerless mitts. So let's see, this is number 1E. It is Rebecca Minkoff Marbled Beanie and Arm Warmer Set. Style the marbled beanie and cozy arm warmers together or individually as you brave the cold. It says it retails for $70. And unless this is wool, that really doesn't make a lot of sense. But let's see here. What is it? It doesn't say. I'm sure it's cute. It's just a basic beanie and an arm warmer set. I don't know why you'd want arm warmers, but I didn't know that was a thing. But yeah, so that's what I got. And let me just make sure that's everything. Yep, that's everything. So I would say my box was okay this month. I'm not really thrilled with it. I seem to like the lotion okay. It's not the best, but it's all right. I will use this, so that's pretty good, I guess. I will let my daughter have that. Again, that's fine. I'll use this, but it's not something that I would buy for sure. Some coffee scrub, not a big deal. I'm okay either way. And I am curious about this. I'd like to see how this works with just water to get rid of your makeup, but that's kind of nice. If that works, that's fabulous. And this body wash and hand wash is okay. I'll put it in the bathroom probably, and it's fine, but it's nothing that I would spend that much money on, and I wouldn't care if I didn't have it, you know. Oh, and then there was this too, which is pretty cool. I do like this, the Bluetooth radio, and that is a pretty good deal, so I will give that to my daughter. But yeah, I guess all in all, it's pretty good. I was looking at the other things that I could have gotten. Could have gotten some hand cream or moisturizing cream, a faux blanket. That would be nice. A faux fur blanket. Oh, that would be really nice. Shampoo and conditioner, Lash MD. I mean, I don't know. The things aren't bad. It's not a bad box. And you spend $50, but you're guaranteed to get $250 worth of things. So, I mean, I feel like I did pretty well. This is kind of overpriced because I really don't think it's all wool, but I'll save it and maybe I'll give it to somebody. I don't know. I mean, it's new and it's nice, and these do kind of make good gifts if you want to do that. And then, you know, I think I got my money's worth for sure. So I don't feel bad about that at all. And I'm looking forward to seeing what the other box has in it. Maybe it will have something different. Maybe it has that blanket. I love blankets. I don't need blankets, but if I had the blanket and the slippers, oh my goodness. And there was one other thing that I liked, but I don't remember what it was now. But that's okay. I guess that's that. I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.